Well, so we're on a tough 10 miler today in Matlock. It's the Giddy Edge Circular. Right, then we're about to do the Giddy Edge. She's a 300-foot sheer drop, so you gotta really be careful here. So it'd be good to get it out the waist first, mightn't it? You know what I mean?
Right, hold on, just gonna put my phone on. Yeah, I want to skip it.
Jesus, that's a drop in it, huh?
Yeah, you go up here, you've gone. Yeah, luckily the mud's dried up. Good job the weather's good.
Well, we've done Giddy Edge anyway, we're still here. Survived it. Yeah, we're in Matlock today. So one of my favourite films, just filmed around here, Dead Man's Shoes. 20 years old this year. Come out in 2004, so 2024. So I think that in the distance there, that's Matlock Town Football Club. Yeah, so we're in Matlock, and just down the road's Matlock Spa, which is like a natural mineral spring where a lot of people go for I suppose spa weekends really, for the natural water there. Well, luckily we're alright. Had a real scare there, thought I'd lost my drone, but got it back luckily. God. To be honest, I wouldn't recommend this Giddy Edge circular. It's a bit of a ridiculous route in all honesty. I'm not sure who you think that.
Never again. Never again.
Yes, that's the cable cars there. Heights of Abraham. So there's Giddy Edge over there. What we done, what seems like, I don't know, leading hours and hours ago.
Built into the rock. Incredible.
Yeah, so according to all trials you park there, but you can't. All trials says park there and you can't, it's private. So don't park there. That's it then, all done. Giddy Edge circular, tough 11 miler. See you next time. Thanks a lot to Loss for coming as well. Say bye, Loss.
See you later.
Free take a bit, I must admit. Blimey, I'm a poet now. A poet and you don't know it. There you go, look, old Bilberry.
Ah, look, he's sleeping. Hello.
That's it, waking up.
Hello, Bilberry.
Neanderthal. Peaceful, ain't it? It's a way go there. It's only a few twists and turns, man. Notice how I twist. Yeah, Loss, what you got to say about that? Look, think, bike.
that.